Okay, Rakib. I'm just going to correct this homework. Found it. Sorry, I have to find out my iPad. Okay, so you were given that sequence 7, 10, 13, 16, 19, and you were asked for the start term. You said the start term was 7. That's right. You were asked for the common difference. You said it was 3. That's right. And then you were asked for the nth term. So you used the formula, which is right. You put 7 in for A and 3 in for D, which is also right. Now, something funny happened here. Okay, so... Sorry, don't know what I did there. Okay, so I'm going to just go out to the side a little bit with this line. So Tn is 7 plus n minus 1 times 3. That's what you've written. Okay? So Tn equals 7. Sorry, plus. Then you take this 3 and you multiply it by the n and you multiply it by the 1. Now, it looks like you tried to do that, but you forgot about the n. So 3 by n is 3n, and 3 by minus 1 is minus 3. So this stays on its own, and these two are combined. So it's Tn equals 3n, and then 7 minus 3 is 4, so that's plus 4. Okay, so you made a mistake in these two lines, and I think all that you did was you forgot the n, and that confused you, I think. Part 4 is draw the graph. So your first term, what was that graph say? Yeah, your first term is 7, second term is 10, third term I assume is there, 13. Fourth term is 16, I can see that, and fifth term, what's the last term? 19. Oh, is that what that is there? You need to try and make your line a bit thinner, or else your dots in a different color, because your line is kind of consuming your dots to the point where you can't see them, and you need to be able to see your dots. Okay. Other than that, your graph is excellent. You have labels. You have it nicely spaced. You used a ruler, so just make sure I can see the dots. Like normally when I do it, I do the dots like say in black and my line in red or something like that. So maybe if you're going to use your pencil to do your dots, then maybe when you draw your line and you have your ruler and all ready to go, maybe draw your line in red or something, you know, so that you'll be able to see it. And hang on, sorry, 1 second. Sorry about that. Okay, so that's that. Last part then was to rewrite. You did this right, just obviously your previous answer was wrong, but you did exactly what I asked you to do. You replaced the Tn with the y, and you replaced the n with the x, which is exactly what I wanted to do. Just like I said, obviously your answer is wrong. So I'm going to replace Tn with y. I'm going to leave the equals. I'm going to leave the 3. I'm going to replace the n with x, and then plus 4. Yeah? Okay. So for this week, I'm going to get you to do another one of them. And next week, we're going to take it on a step. So today is the 16th of March. Okay, so we're going to consider the, oh my God, can't spell. Consider the sequence. Right, what would we go with? 2. No, let's go 8. 14, 20, 26. Okay. Find A, the start term. Find D, the common difference. Find the nth term. Draw the graph of the sequence and write the sequence as an equation of a line. Did I spell difference wrong? Difference. Okay. Okay, so there you go. So a new sequence, but the same 5 questions. Okay? And that's for next week. And then next week, there's just one more bit. And then you've actually pretty much caught up with what I had done with the class. Just obviously I've broken it down more. But you've covered the same content, which is great, after next week's class. All right, so get that back to me as soon as you have it, please.